Local school districts and administrators appreciate and encourage people from industry, whether it be a nurse or a welder, or a carpenter, a business owner, somebody who would like to try teaching. They encourage those people to come into the classroom as professional CTE teachers. And they bring in a wealth of skills and a wealth of knowledge from their profession, which is wonderful for the students, of course. The difficulty that often happens, though, is you have all these, the new teacher has these skills and this knowledge, and they need to teach it. They need to convey all those to the students. And so CTEACH comes in, and what we do is we support that new teacher. So there might be some classes that the teacher needs to take. We help make sure they get the classes they need. We assign a mentor in their pathway, so they have somebody else one-on-one they can talk to. We organize if they'd like to go to a conference, or licensing support as well. Make sure that the teacher understands how that works and what they need to do.
Mike Robinson, and so I teach trades at the Athena-Weston School District in Athena, and then I also teach advanced welding and trades in the Pendleton High School. And so I go to both of those. I have 2 classes in the morning in Athena, and I have 1 class in the afternoon in Pendleton. So I was in the manufacturing business for quite a while, and then I went to the farming, and so I was in farming for roughly about 40 years. And so I've done a lot of, so we used to build combines and stuff like that from the ground up, and so that was my manufacturing part. And then out on the farm, it was everything. So basically rebuilding hydraulics, rebuilding engines, electrical work. And then I'm trying to bring all that to the kids here in school and teach them what's out there, you know, what trades are out there. And if they want to do this trade, then I will show them what path is there. That's the most exciting part of it, is when they ask me to do it, is I thought, you know, I will actually show these kids what it's like out there, you know, how hard they have to work, you know. I knew nothing about teaching, trust me. You know, I came from I'm the boss type deal, and I wasn't, you know, so I taught everybody how to do that, but you know, it was not a bunch of kids. I really wasn't sure about how to put together a plan for the kids, you know, what to do, how to keep them focused on stuff. And it was kind of a rat race at first, but now we're kind of getting that under control and knowing more what to do with them. So it's helped tremendously. And a lot of these kids out here are hands-on kids, and so I think that's the best part of it, honestly, is being able to teach these kids how to focus on a trade, learn a trade, and so to teach them that trade so where they can go from high school straight to the workforce. So, especially in these, you know, like our areas, you know, these rural farming areas, you know, that's where a lot of the draw is for that type of stuff, and that's what they've been used to their entire life. And so, you know, to show them that is I think, beneficial.
The great thing about coming from industry is you have firsthand knowledge of the professional world. And that's what CTE is all about, that industry connection. What are the basics that need to be known in your profession? What are the industry recognized credentials that might be helpful for a student and attainable for a student? If you hear of your local district, there's a teaching position that would fit your skill set, then that's the first stop to talk to them. And if that can be agreed on, been given a position, then you talk to the IMESD, and then we'll sit down and we'll talk about all this stuff, and we'll get it all organized to get your license and get you started.